I've laced up roller skates, inline skates, and hockey skates. But for the first time in over 7 years, I'm lacing up my figure skates to take the ice. In order to become the best version of yourself, there are things you must overcome. It's no different in business, in government, in the military, in families, in corporate life, and in life itself. There will always be challenges you must face in order to become the best version of yourself. You're going to get knocked down often, but you must get back up. You may lose your job, possessions, relationships, confidence, and even physical capabilities. For me, as an ice skater, I've had to push past physical challenges just to stand here today. Today, I meet this challenge head on and see what I can do. What are your challenges to overcome? It's time to stop spectating. It's time to get off the sidelines. It's time to lace up. It's time to rise up. And it's time to take the ice and overcome.
Hello, I'm Coach Reggie B. I'm back on the ice. It's been over 4 years since I've been on the ice. I had spinal surgery. I had meniscus surgery in both knees. I had prostate surgery and a couple other things. So foot drop, cramped up calf and hamstring on the right leg. So there's a lot going on this ice. But I'm out here. I used to skate every day since I was 13. I was performing. This young lady out there reminds me of some of the stuff I used to do. So this is gonna be me getting my workout on and just waking my legs back up. Wish me luck. I know I'm wobbling, but let's see what I got. Gotta be careful. You're supposed to bend your legs and lift your feet with foot drop and all these other issues I got going on. These muscles are not strong enough, so I gotta take it easy. There will be no jumping today, not at all. I have so much muscle memory from the routines that I used to do. And I can feel it in my sound, in my head. We used to do this routine to George Duke, dance, a few routines, Parliament. And so I can hear them, and I know exactly what my legs are supposed to do. But you might see me fall if I attempt it. I'm not trying to hit the ice today. At 63 years old. Wish me luck. I better not try to get a whole bunch of stuff back in one day. I should be thankful that I'm on the ice at all. Let's see, I may try one routine. I got it in my head, my ankles, everything. It's just been over 4 years on the ice. It goes something like this. 1, 2, sweep. 1, 2, sweep. 1, 2. so smooth. We were so smooth with that move. It'd be like 6 or 7 or 8 of us going around the ice, and we'd just be grooving. Just 17, 18-year-old brothers on the ice with our own routines, and we just be grooving. So I'm gonna get it back. Anybody from Philadelphia? Simon's Ice Skating Rink, Wissahickon Ice Skating Rink, and class of 23 at University of Penn. Those are the 3 rinks I used to skate at. Been about 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna just go around the ice a little bit and see how I do with just warm-ups, and we'll see. But I'm Reginald Bullock saying I'm on the ice. I ain't been out here in a long time. I've been warming up, and now I want a video to see what I have. I know I have issues going on. Let's see. My toes are numb because I have foot drop, plantar fasciitis. My shin is kind of tight, cramping. My toes are cramping. My instep of the right foot is cramping. My right calf is throbbing, and my right hamstring is not stretched. Other than that, I'm on the ice. I'm on the ice. I won't overdo anything, but I want to at least challenge my body to see if my muscles can remember when I was competitive, what I used to do without falling. So let's see what I got. Skating timid. Guess I need to. I'm Reginald Bullock on the ice, having flashbacks of Simon Ice Skating Rink in Germantown and Wissahickon Ice Skating Rink near Wissahickon Creek, up in that area, Chestnut Hill, and then class of 1923, University of Penn. So those are the 3 places I skated. And I competed, and I did some shows. I think we did a portion of Disney on Ice, a portion of West Side Story. But yeah, me and my boys, we would have routines, and I'm feeling them routines right now, but I'm cautious. I used to skate like her. Give me 3 or 4 months, I'm gonna come back out here with the skate team and show them that this 63-year-old man still got it. But right now, I just gotta get myself back in shape. Done. It's better to quit while you're ahead, with no injuries, no challenges, good workout, good sweat, waking the muscles up. I'm thankful. I'm blessed to be able to get out here. All right, I'm Reggie B saying, I'm so fortunate that after all I've been through, had it not been for the grace of God, I would not be on this ice. Amen.